How to turn off Ring Doorbell. So if you want to turn off your Ring Doorbell or disable your Ring Doorbell, then just follow the steps. So the first is using the Ring app. Open the Ring app on your smartphone and log into your Ring account. Find and select the Ring Doorbell device you want to disable. Tap on the gear icon or the settings option within the device interface. Look for the device settings or device modes. Choose disarm or turn off from the camera mode. Confirm your action to disable the Ring Doorbell temporarily. Or the second thing you can do is you can disable the motion sensitivity, or you can turn off the motion alerts. If you prefer to keep motion detection active but want to disable the motion alerts, then follow these steps. Access the Ring app and navigate to your Ring Doorbell settings. Look for the alert settings or notification settings option. Toggle off the motion alerts feature to stop receiving notifications for detected motion. Or the next thing you can do is disable the motion recording. To prevent your Ring Doorbell from recording video clips when motion is detected, use the Ring app to disable motion recording. Launch your Ring app and go to the Ring Doorbell settings. Look for the video settings or recording settings. Choose the motion recording and switch it off to disable video recording triggered by motion. Or to do it manually, you need to locate the Ring Doorbell device on the wall or mounting bracket. Look for the power switch or disconnect the power source to deactivate the device. So this is how you can turn off the Ring Doorbell, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.